at the Kagga Kama Cave Reserve. I'm not sure what the full name is, but we're at Kagga Kama, and it's just like caves all around. My room is literally in a cave. It's super cozy in here. It's actually really warm. I want to get out of this jersey that I'm wearing. I will show you guys what it looks like inside and outside. It is absolutely breathtaking. I feel like I'm in like Arizona or something. It's crazy to know that there are places like this in South Africa that exist that I did not know about. It is absolutely amazing. I'm gonna change right now and just walk around the game reserve to see what's what. But yeah, I'm super excited to be here. I've literally never heard of this place in my life. So I'm happy to be taking you guys along with me. Gonna be shooting and posting some bomb ass content. So let me get ready, let me change. I'm just waiting for an iron because I want to wear a white shirt. It's really hot. It's really, really hot. So yeah, excited. Refresh. I'm wearing like a shirt and some cycle pants, super Hailey Bieber vibe. We ought to get a massage now, but we're running late. Like, you literally have to drive to the massage place, so I'm gonna go do that now. Just waiting for Mel to get her mask. I'm burning. It is hot here. It's not Cape Town vibes. Like, it is really, really hot. Where's homegirl dropping? Okay. Massage time. I think she just said tops off.
Just tops.
Yeah. Safari now. I feel like I've changed 3 times in like less than an hour. Off we go.
Look at the bar.
Look at that.
It looks like plastic peeling off.
Where? I mean, I haven't had hunters in so long, but Savannah is fucking pissed. Linda must see, but it's horrible. Anyways, there is cute little snacks for us. We've just stopped to look at the rocks and the sunset. I don't know why you guys drink Savannah unprovoked. Who does that? Unprovoked Savannah, the worst drink ever. Good morning from my room in the cave. Guys, I literally did not sleep at all. I think I got to bed at 10:30, and you know, I was just like settling in, getting into my jammies, only to discover a spider the size of my face. I even broke my nails. I don't know what I was doing in the dark, but I literally had my torch on the whole night, flashing the torch around the room, seeing if it's moved from the spot that I'd left it. I think I only fell asleep at like 4 o'clock. I'm extremely tired and extremely traumatized. I 100% understand why people move out of their homes when they find like spiders in their like rooms. Obviously we're in the middle of nowhere, everyone is like settled into their own rooms, it's pitch black. I had no choice but to kind of like stay up. Fortunately one of my friends was awake, but like my network kept going in and out, so I couldn't really have a proper conversation. But wow, I wish I'd taken I took a video on my phone. I'll show you guys like right here what it looks like. But anyways, we're leaving now. We're driving back to Cape Town. I'm all packed up, ready for breakfast. Decided to wear my wig today. This wig actually has this band is attached to the hair, which is great for me because I can't lay edges for my life. And I'm just wearing this cute dress. I have it in blue as well. I wore it in the staycation vlog I did at the beginning of the year. It's very comfortable. I'm just going to throw over a sweater. We're going back to Cape Town to do a few activities there and check into the Woodstock Exchange Hotel. So I'm just waiting for everyone to wake up so we can go have breakfast. I literally woke up to the most amazing pink sunrise. But I want to show you guys what it looks like right now outside. It's just so peaceful and tranquil here. I wish we could be staying longer. Like, all of that there was like pink. It's so peaceful and quiet. Let's step out. Here's my room. That's my room right there. Look at those mountains up there. That's another room. That's another room. This is a room. Good morning. I am at the Onyx Hotel. We stayed here yesterday. I didn't really vlog much yesterday because we were doing like township tours. And if you've been following me for a while, you do follow me, you know that I live in Soweto. So a lot of the stuff that we were seeing, as much as it promotes like local entrepreneurs and local businesses, is things that I've seen quite a bit. So I didn't really vlog much. But after coming back from Langa, I came back and just like went out for dinner with a friend, and then my sister came over to sleep over. Today's our last day on this campaign trip, and we're going to Khayelitsha for a jazz safari. It's very interesting. I can't say I'm a jazz lover, but I guess yet again we're supporting local creatives, which is amazing. So I'm just having my breakfast now. We're at the Onyx Hotel. How cute is my little outfit today? I look like a little schoolgirl because we're going on like an art tour. We are at the Onyx Hotel this morning, and then we are we're going back to Curiosity when we come back from Khayelitsha. So we basically spend the whole day in Khayelitsha, and then we're coming back, checking into Curiosity, and then going out for dinner, and that's a wrap from our trip. So I will take you guys along for the jazz safari because apparently it's a very like interesting and fun experience, and then straight to dinner, and then hopefully I can get to see some of my friends. I got to see Gideon and Sadie yesterday. I'm hoping I can see Amy today, and then just have an early night and edit all the content that I've been shooting this week.
on my poems there. And then I'll put a poem and then I'll sing. And then that was it for me. They are making sure that they are backing vocalists. Nothing else. Not backing me, backing vocalists.
So we are on like a jazz safari in Khayelitsha, and we've just stopped to get some food guys, which is a place that I've been hearing about and dying to check out. It's like a mocha cafe, but in Khayelitsha. So definitely my vibe. Can't wait to like eat some fried meat, smoke a shisha, and just be grand. You wanna pose? 100% my vibe. I'm back at Curiosity. We are going to dinner. I need some light on my face. How do I open this? We are off to dinner. It's our last dinner, then I am free. I'm gonna check out a place called Pizzo's at the waterfront. I'm actually running late. I quickly hopped into the shower, changed. I'm wearing this cute golfer from Cotton On and cargo pants and some flippy flops. Gonna go eat now. I will be back. I will let you guys know how it is.
It's me, Damasaki. She said she the one, I bet she thinks she is. Saying don't have no trust, I don't know where you been. I need a break, on brakes. I'm on a wave, like Lake Michigan, cold. She the one, bet she thinks she is. Saying don't have no trust, I don't know where you been. I need a break, on brakes. I'm on a wave, like Lake Michigan. Shorties out here playing playoffs, first season.